Hello guys, this is Ash Gates from Victory Visuals. On this video I'll be showing you guys how to convert your bootable Windows CD into ISO file. So you will be needing an software called ImageBurn. Just I have given the link in the description below. Just download the software from there. The install procedure is normal as you install the softwares. Now after installing your software, after installing ImageBurn, just click on ImageBurn and open it. You should have an bootable Windows CD with you to create an ISO file. If you don't have an bootable CD but you have files from Windows DVD, you need to have an bootloader image. The first thing I would do is click on create image file from disk. After inserting a CD into your DVD drive, then click on this icon which shows CD to ISO image and wait till it gets completed. The file will be saved on your documents, I guess. Yeah, documents. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was informative to you. If this was informative, please like and subscribe to our channel. This is Ash Gates signing out.